Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is a postoperative client asks the nurse why it is so important to deep breath and go after surgery when formulating a response. The nurse incorporates the understanding that retarded pulmonary secretions in a postoperative client and can lead to which condition: aviation pneumonia, 2 option hypoxemia, 3 option fluid ambulance, 4 option pulmonary embolism. The correct answer to the question is one option: postoperative respiratory problems are athletic pneumonia and pulmonary emboli. Pneumonia is the inflammation of lung tissue that causes productive cardiac and lung collapse and can be caused the retention of pulmonary secretions. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.